Hello, I am M. Yusufji Memon from Matiari. Today I teach you exercise 2 and exercise 3 of unit 6.1 reading comprehension of English class 9 new course. Dear students, this is unit 6. The reading text is the role of women in Pakistan's creation and development. In this reading text, you will learn about these 5 great ladies of Pakistan who played their role in Pakistan's creation and development. The information about these 5 ladies was gathered by a group of students. So, please, I advise you, read this reading text very carefully and then try to solve the exercises by yourself. Today I am going to solve only 2 exercises, exercise 2 and exercise 3. In exercise 2, what does the exercise 2 says? Let's read. Exercise 2. Work in pairs. Find the following words in the text and underline them. It's your work, dear students. These are some 11 words in exercise 2. You have to find out these words in this reading text and underline them. After you have done your work, you have underlined these 11 words, then try to learn their meanings. Their meanings is in the glossary at the end also. If you don't find some of these words in the glossary, then try to find out the meanings of these words in a good dictionary. These words are opinions, excess, simultaneously, rehearsed, contribution, philanthropist, renowned, recognition, tireless, inspired, enthusiasm. These are some 11 words. All these words are in the reading text. First, find out these words, then look up their meanings in the glossary as well as in the dictionary. After that, we solve this exercise 3. Fill the blanks using all these words given in exercise 2. In exercise 3, we have to fill the blanks with these exercises, these words which are given in exercise 2. So let's try to fill the blanks. Number 1, my brother decided to become a soldier because he was dashed by my uncle's disciplined way of life, because he was inspired. This has already been done in your exercise, in your book also. So, was inspired. In your book, this first one has already been done. Now 2, there are many charitable institutions in Pakistan that are funded by philanthropists. Philanthropists that are funded by philanthropists. Number 3, the whole class said yes when the teacher asked if they wanted to go for a picnic. The whole class simultaneously said. Simultaneously said when the teacher asked if they wanted to go for a picnic. Number 4, every year the government awards titles to people in dash of their services in different fields. In recognition of their services. In their recognition of their services in different fields. Number 5, my father always asks for a dash before buying new furniture or other household things. My father always asks for our opinions. Number 6, our principal praised all the students for their dash to the flood relief fund, for their contribution. To the flood relief fund. Number 7, everyone clapped with dash when the small children ran in the race. Everyone clapped with enthusiasm. Number 8, our group dash many times before the finals of the folk song competition. Our group rehearsed many times before the finals of the folk song competition. Number 9, Pakistan was created through dash efforts. Pakistan was created through the dash efforts of many Muslims working under the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam. Through the tireless efforts. Number 10, all children in Pakistan should have a dash to quality education, should have access. All children should have access to quality education. Allama, number 11. Allama Iqbal is a dash poet of the subcontinent, is a renowned poet of the subcontinent. These were two exercises, exercise number 2 and exercise number 3. Thank you very much.